Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for being gone. I was just on vacation, super busy with work, trying to balance TikTok, YouTube, and obviously nails, but I'm back. I took a little break on my schedule, so now I have time to actually post videos. But for today, I want to talk about my Amazon favorites. I'm going to be going in detail with every little product. I have them laying all around my table, so if you see me looking sorry, I just kind of want to see what I want to talk about first. But the first thing I want to talk about is the Beatles Gel Top Coat. If you haven't seen my other previous videos, you guys already know that I freaking love this top coat. It is so cheap. Okay, my next favorite is the Clear Mia Secret Powder. Ew, sorry, there's like hair on it. This is an 8 ounce. I think they have a bigger one than this, but this is literally my favorite. Clear. It's like glass. I'll be posting videos of, pictures of me using this because this is literally crystal clear, like the Valentino type of crystal clear, but affordable. But Valentino is a good brand. Okay, the next thing is going to be my Pana 240 sanding bits. I use this to take off the shine of the nail. I can't believe I forgot about my brush. Actually, this brush is my favorite purchase on Amazon. I recommend this brush 100%. This is a size 10. It's a little bit smaller than what I work with. I usually work with the size 12, but at the time, size 12 was sold out, and I needed a brush ASAP. So I got the size 10, which I'm kind of liking the smaller size because that way I'm able to build my nail more to my liking, because sometimes I'm still kind of learning how to work acrylic. Right now I kind of do like the pat and paint, but I want to be able just to pat it down. So this kind of helps me get beads how I like them to. But I'm still working on acrylic. That's why, it's just something that I want to work on. It's not a big deal. The nails still come out nice how I apply acrylic, but I feel like when you do the padding, it's like more advanced. So I'm practicing doing that better. Okay, the next thing I'm going to be talking about is this gold foil paper. I literally bought this a long time ago and it's still full, and I use this quite a lot because this is actually really popular doing nails. People like the whole gold foil look, and very cheap. I think it was like $6-7, and this is gonna last me a long time. So definitely recommend buying this instead of buying those little pots. And they do come in different colors, but honestly nobody ever asked for silver, so that's why I have gold. So the next thing I want to talk about is actually not positive. It's really it's not a good. Okay, whoever told me that these Mia Secret Royale Fancy nail tips were good, y'all lied to me. These nail tips are so freaking curved. They face down, like that's how curved they are. Look, I'll show you. Let me get a pinky size. Okay. Let's pretend I'm going to be gluing that to my finger. Look at how that curves, dude. It looks like a freaking it looks like a freaking dinosaur nail. Like, what the hell? Like, ew. I'm gonna have to end up throwing these nail tips away because that's just ugly. Like, nope. Next. So the next thing I'm gonna be talking about is these dried flowers. I like these a lot. These actually only come in 3. I actually filled them up because I ordered like 5 more boxes. I like to order like my dried flowers, my fruit slices, glitters, foils. I order all of my nail art from Amazon because most of the times shops do sell things from Amazon or from Wish. So, and I don't like ordering from Wish. Like, yes, I know it's dirt cheap, but I don't got time to wait for a whole month. But yeah, see, oops, I bought like these glitters. These are like little hearts. Can't believe I almost forgot about these. These Young Nail Protein Bond. They're amazing, dude. Like, if you have trouble with lifting, this will literally help prevent that. I typically use the Young Nail Swipe, and then after I apply the Protein Bond, and the nails will literally stay. They will stay on. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is my UV lamp. This is a 55-watt lamp, I believe. Amazing. Definitely don't have to worry about my thumbs not curing, because as you can see, it literally reaches from side to side pretty good. If you have problems with your top coat not curing, it's probably because you do need a higher watt. So I do recommend investing into a good UV lamp. Also, I did buy this with Klarna. I talked about Klarna in another video. I'll be tagging it in the description. Definitely worth the purchase. I don't even know why I repeated it twice, but I love this lamp. I'm so mad that I was without a new lamp for a long time. Like, I was telling myself that my old lamp was good enough, but it really wasn't. But happy that I finally bought it. Another thing I want to talk about that's no longer on Amazon though, it's my drill. I love this drill. I've literally had this drill for about a year now, and it has literally caused me no problems. One time I did thought it broke because it kind of like unscrews from the bottom like this, and I didn't know that. So it was unplugged like this, and I didn't realize that. So then I had bought a new one. So I actually have 2 of these drills, which is actually kind of a good thing, because my worst fear is that it stops working on a client, which that actually happens. Like, I read it all the time on Facebook, and I would hate for that to happen to me. So I'm kind of happy that I do have 2 drills, and so far amazing. I do recommend buying a lot of your things on Amazon, because you can find things there very affordable that work just as good as like high-end drill bits personally, especially from Pana. I'll be linking all of my Pana drill bits that I use. Amazing for like only $6-7. So I love that price, and it works so good. I have never tried like high-end drill bits like from Valentino or Young Nails, like, or Kiara Sky. Like, I'm guessing they're amazing, but these are literally $6 and do the job just fine, so why not? But back to the drill. I do recommend buying a drill on Amazon. The only thing is you do have to read the reviews. I read the reviews on mine, and it was like rated 5 stars, and it barely had any negative reviews, and the reviews that were negative were just because people didn't know how to use it. And it literally comes with drill bits separately, but I didn't like those because they weren't as coarse. So and I honestly don't have any issues with any other drill bits fitting in here. Everything pretty much fits in here. I bought some from Mark Cart, I think that's how you pronounce it, from Pana. I buy a lot of stuff from Amazon. I just don't have enough time to talk about it because this video can be very long, but I do recommend buying things from Amazon. Sometimes they're not going to work, and sometimes they're going to work, but at least you're not dropping a lot of money on utensils and tools and things like that. So that's why I like to use Amazon. Plus, Klarna does work on Amazon. Okay, y'all, this is the end of my video. I just wanted to make a little video talking about some things that I bought from Amazon and go a little bit more in depth on why, because I know on TikTok you're only seeing a 60-second video, so you don't really get that much information off the video. But like I said before, buying things on Amazon is kind of like trial and error. What I showed you guys today is what works for me. But I do like Amazon because, like I said, things are a little bit more cheaper than other places, but they work just as fine. Skipping that, I promise I'm going to be posting more on Fridays. I'm going to be making tutorials, maybe more like videos like this, maybe more shopping with me. I kind of wanted to do like challenges with other nail techs. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll be posting another video soon.